folks, Mike Kay, Walla Walla School District, Director of Facilities and Operations. Since we last visited a couple months ago, we've done about $3 million of work here at Boerne Elementary alone. And we're very excited about where we're at as we start the school year. And what I'd like to do is take some time and go inside the building and kind of show you some of the great things we've accomplished. Well, the first thing you notice as we come back into the building is the lobby's put back together. We're very excited about the fact that with our local contractor, SNK, and Sean Mountain, that they were able to, like I said, within the last 2 months, basically take this building entirely apart and put it back together. And as you see, our ceiling tiles are back in, our secretarial and our administrative staff is putting their stuff back together, so we're ready to open the doors on the 26th when school starts. Our HVAC system has changed dramatically here in the building. One of the exciting things we did was we went through and upgraded and retrofitted the entire system. This provides us an environment that will be consistent in heating and cooling throughout the classroom and then throughout the school year. This is something we did not have in this building previously, and we're very excited about those improvements we've made. We're really excited about the retrofitting we've been able to do here at Boerne with the support of our taxpayers and our community. And as we continue to wrap this project up, we're going to go ahead and move on to look at some of the other schools that we've got and some of the projects we've completed there. Mike Kay here at Green Park. When last time we were here, we had a couple projects going on I'd like to give you updates on. The first one was our roof. The roof is now completed. Dan Elsom Roofing has done a tremendous job of getting this project completed, and we're very excited to have a 50-year structural roof on this building and have it secured for a long time to come. The second one and most important one is something that the district committed to in the bond and the voters approved, and that was safety and security of our schools. And I want to take a little bit of time and just kind of explain to you what we've done. One of our major focuses was securing the exterior of the buildings, and we're going to do that twofold. One is we're going to secure our outside doors, and the second one is we're going to control who comes in and comes out. And I'm going to spend a little bit of time here and kind of explain to you how and what that's going to look like. What I have my hand on here is one of our access control pads that'll be used by staff, parents, and anybody entering the building. And the way they work is really, it's a simple process where you basically will take your swipe card, key your card in that we issue to them, punch in your code, and then the door will automatically unlock and you'll be able to go in. And then once that door closes again, it automatically relocks. So we don't have to worry about doors being accidentally left open or any of those things. If that door happens to prop open, we will get a notification that we have a door that's still ajar. This is a very exciting part for us, and this is a very key component of the bond project that we're very excited to continue to be working on. Another key component of our safety and security system is the ability to lock down our buildings in the event of emergency. One of the things that we've done is within all of our offices now, we have an emergency lockdown procedure and an emergency lockdown button. By the push of a single button, we can now lock all the doors, exterior doors to our buildings, notify law enforcement, medical, and the district office that assistance or an issue has taken place. This has streamlined a process that, again, comes back to focusing on the safety and security of our students. As you can see, folks, we've had a busy summer. It's been exciting to get the work accomplished we have. And a couple of shout outs, again, back to the voters for thank you for your support and trust in us to be good stewards of public funds. And most importantly, to our local partners. Without SNK and Folsom and Cutting Edge and all of the other people that I've missed that are local contractors in these projects, a huge thank you. This would not have done. To do what we've done at Boerne in the amount of time that we had available is amazing. But as we move forward, I want to actually focus on a couple things. Over the next couple months, you're going to see us to continue to do the access control. We'll get that up and running all over buildings, and then as we stick with this theme of safety and security, you're going to see additional fencing at both Prospect Point and Garrison. One last thing before we close out, just a reminder, September 3rd school starts. So if you get a chance, just remember when you see the vest out, that means we've got kids out on the streets. Hope you had a great summer and look forward to talking to you here in another month or so.